Voicemod tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser, then go to voicemod.net. On the main panel, download the application by clicking the Download for Free button. It will ask you to enter your email address, then click Continue with Gmail. A verification email will be sent, so go to your Gmail account and copy the code number provided. Paste the unique number into the number column and click the Validate button. The program will automatically download the exe file. So locate the file and open the application. Select all the requirements for the application setup, click Next, and at the end, click Install. After installation is complete, open the Voicemod application and click Get Started. The application will ask for microphone and headphone selection. So choose your devices, click Next, and then click Start using Voicemod. You can select the voice you want from the Voicemod voice panel. After that, you can turn the Voicemod on or off by clicking the On or Off button. You can also hear the Voicemod by clicking the Hearing button located on the lower section of the application.